Ever heard of Taylor Swift? According to my research on LinkedIn, Taylor Swift is a construction manager at... That's not right. We all know who Taylor Swift is. She is an extremely successful singer-songwriter, producer, director, actor, and businesswoman. But did you also know she is the bee's knees at SEO? Ever since Taylor Swift announced her re-recording album, Speak Now, Taylor's version, searches for Speak Now have surged dramatically. Fans eagerly awaited the release, leading to a record-breaking number of Google searches, with over 779,000 searches worldwide in the past month, peaking on the 7th of July. Taylor Swift exhibits her mastery in timing announcements, strategically opting to reveal the re-recording well in advance, rather than the day before the release, thereby boosting audience engagement. In today's digital marketplace, achieving success requires a profound comprehension of search engine optimization. More than just relying on keywords and backlinks, SEO is a dynamic discipline that harnesses strategic content, audience engagement, and technical optimization to attain higher ranking in search engine results. Taylor Swift's proficiency in these principles comes as no surprise. Her techniques translate into an effective SEO strategy, establishing connections with her audience, creating captivating content, and leveraging timing to maximize impact. If you want to get your website to the top of the Google charts, then here are 7 SEO tips you can use that Taylor Swift uses to gain SEO success. 1. Understand your audience. Similar to how Taylor Swift establishes a profound connection with her fans and crafts songs that deeply strikes a chord with them, you too should comprehend your target audience. By examining the demographics, interests, and online behaviors of your audience, you can steer your content creation and keyword selection in the right direction. Choose the perfect timing for new releases. Much like how Taylor Swift strategically surprises her fans with new songs and albums, generating anticipation and excitement, the timing of your content release is equally crucial. To ensure maximum and immediate engagement, schedule your posts during peak user activity times. The right timing can significantly enhance your visibility. Master the art of storytelling. Swift's captivating music thrives on the power of storytelling. Similarly, infuse your content with compelling narratives to enthrall your audience and entice them to come back for more. Just as Taylor's songs have a way of making the listeners feel like it's their own story, your brand storytelling should create a sense of personal connection for the user as well. Optimize for mobile. Recognizing that her fans primarily use mobile devices, Swift ensures her digital content is mobile friendly. Google's algorithms also prioritize mobile friendly websites. Therefore, make sure your website is responsive, loads swiftly on mobile devices. Apologies for the pun, and provides a user-friendly experience. Remember that quality backlinks matter. Similar to how fans passionately endorse Swift's music, quality backlinks from reputable sites serve as endorsements for your content, indicating to search engines that your content is reliable and credible. Just as Taylor Swift's music gains the most resonance when shared by devoted and genuine fans, backlinks from high authority and reputable sites hold more significance than those from lesser known or low quality websites. Taylor Swift's entire ecosystem thrives on the foundation of shareable content. Just as her fans exchange friendship bracelets at her concerts or eagerly share Taylor Swift TikTok videos online, crafting your content to be easily quotable and shareable is an excellent strategy to cultivate backlinks and enhance your authority. Use Easter eggs to keep engagement high. Swift's renowned practice of concealing Easter eggs in her songs and videos spark immense engagement as fans eagerly search for the hidden meanings. Likewise, I suggest integrating captivating and valuable elements in your content to captivate your audience and encourage them to stay on your site for longer periods. Track your SEO performance. Similar to Swift's approach to her music career, regularly assess your progress and adapt your strategies accordingly. Employ analytical tools to gain insights into what is effective and what is not, allowing you to fine-tune your strategies and attain improved results. Mastering SEO is a potent process encompassing various aspects such as comprehending your audience, generating compelling content, timely releases, and monitoring performance. Authenticity, audience understanding, and commitment to excellence are essential elements to embrace. Armed with these guidelines, you're on the path to achieving SEO success. If you want more tips and advice regarding all things SEO, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more videos. Thank you for watching. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.